Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I hope you all of you completed your last day's homework. All of you learned all the tabular columns, all the values and all. Okay, I hope you all of you learned. Okay, well let's move to the today's class. So in our last class, I gave 3 homeworks. I hope you all of you completed. So today, exercise 4.1, problem number 1 and 2 we have completed. So third problem, we can do it. Okay. Determine the quadrants in which the following degree lie. First one 380 degree, second one minus 140 degree, third one 1195 degree. Okay, solution. 380 degree minus 140 degree, 1195 degree. Okay, so first one, what you need to do, where the degree lie you need to find. For that, so this one you know already, I have written on problem. So first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, correct? So this one up to 90, this one 92 to 180, this one 180 to 270, this one 270 to 360 degree. Okay. So this one 380 degree, how will I write first? 380 degree can be written as 3x60 plus theta. Okay. So 360 plus 20 degree. So one completion I said first itself. So from here to here means it will be one completion. So up to here it will be 360. So again 20 need to movements from here to here. So where it will be? So 380 degree lie in the first quadrant, correct? Yes or no? So up to 360 here, again 20 you need to move. So here 360 degree plus 20, so it is first quadrant. Then second one minus 140 degree, minus 140. So we can write this as, that's equal to minus 90 plus minus 50, correct? Add means you will get 140 degree. Okay, so since the angle is negative, whether this angle is positive, it's negative, we need to move it is in anti-clockwise direction. So listen here, it will be from here to here. Here it will be where? 140 will come here, is it right? But it is negative. So where you need to take? Here to here. So here. Yes. Otherwise better you can take it in anti-clockwise direction. Means here to here you can move and you can write. So where it will be lie? Minus 140 degree lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Got it? Since it is negative. Since it is negative. Otherwise here it will be, it's here. Then third one. 1195. So how will you write this? 3 times we can give. So 3 times 160 degree plus 115 degree. So again you can split 3 into 360 degree plus 90 plus 25. So better you can move here. So correctly you need to move. So here to here one completion. Again 2. Again 3 times 360. It will be over. Again how much you need to move? 90. So from here to here. Again 25 means which quadrant? Second quadrant. Understand? 1195 degree lies in second quadrant. Understand students? Very easy. So how will you move? From here to here it will be 90. 90 to 180. 180 to 270. 270 to 360. One revolution. So 3 revolution means 1, 2, 3. Again 190 you need to add. So from here to here. Again 125. So here it will be. Negative means if it is minus 90 means here it is 90 degree. But minus means it will be come here. Understand students? Okay. Got it? Okay. Let's move to next problem. Problem number 4 I gave homework for you. I hope you all of you completed. Let's move to problem number 5. Prove that First one, tan of minus 225 degree cot minus 405 degree minus tan minus 765 degree cot 675 degree. Okay, just I will explain this problem, you need to do. Okay, so how will you do, ma? This one is a homework you need to do. I will explain it now. How we will do? Tan 225, you can split, is it right? 180 plus theta, like that you can split. Here 360 plus theta, this one 720 plus theta, otherwise next to 360 you can split it and do. So this one also you can split it, same as that example. One example problem we have completed in the last day's class, same as that you need to do. At last when you are simplifying you will get the answer as 0. This is a homework. Fifth problem, first Roman, it's a homework. Understand? So second Roman we will do now. Two sine square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 cos square pi by 3 equal to 3 by 2 you need to put. Solution. First Roman homework. One by one you can find out. That is, take down sine square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 cos square pi by 3. Okay, so take down sine square pi by 6. Calculate it. It is same as sine pi by 6 the whole square. Pi means what's the value? Pi means 180. I said so. Sine of 180 by 6 the whole square. Cancel. Sine 30 degree, what's the value? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 the whole square. So what's the value? 1 by 4. Understand? Then take down next one. Cosecant square 7 pi by 6. So cosecant square, cosecant square is there? Yes. So cosecant square 7 pi by 6. First you can find it. That is cosecant square is right. So okay. Cosecant square 7 into 180 by 6. So if you cancel, how much you will get? 30. Correct? Okay. So 7 into 30 means 210, is it right? So cosecant square 210 degree. How will you write this? Cosecant of square afterwards you can find. Okay. So 180 plus theta, 180 plus 30 degree. So how much you will get? Cosecant of 90, cosecant of 180 plus theta minus cosecant theta. So minus cosecant 30. So what's the value? 2. So minus 2. So squaring time 4. Correct? Then one more you need to do. Okay. So last one. Cos square pi by 3 equal to, cos square means cos square pi by 3. So 180 by 3. So cos square of 60 degree. That is same as cos 60 degree the whole square. So cos 60 degree, what's the value? Cos 60 degree value 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square equal to 1 by 4. Now substitute all the values in the given. So LHS implies substitute 1 by 4. 2 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 1 by 4. This 2. Get cancel. So 1, correct? So that's equal. This also cancel. So 1 by 2 plus 1. So how much you will get? 1 plus 2 by 2. That's equal to 3 by 2. This is the answer. Understand? So very easy. But main thing you need to know all the values. Okay. So you learn that and do it. Understand, students? Okay. Third Roman, we can do it now. Third one, secant of 3 pi by 2 minus theta secant of theta minus 5 pi by 2 plus tan of 5 pi by 2 plus theta, tan of theta minus 5 pi by 2 equal to minus 1 you need to put. Solution. Listen here. This also separately we can find 1 by 2. Secant of 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Okay. So 3 pi by 2 first you need to simplify. That's equal to secant of 3 into pi means 180 by 2 minus theta. That's equal to secant of, we can cancel 90. So 3 into 90 minus theta. Correct? So 3 into 90 means 270. Correct? 270 minus theta. Now check it and say, children, that is secant of 270 minus theta means the value is minus cosecant theta. Correct? Then let's move to next one. Secant of theta minus 5 pi by 2. That's equal to secant of theta minus 5 pi by 2 is there. But we know all the formula 90 minus theta, 270 minus theta. So you can change it here. That is minus 5. You can take outside. So minus 5 by 2 minus theta. You need to change like this. That's equal to secant of. So keep it in mind. The secant is an even function. That is secant of minus theta, secant theta. Correct? Secant of minus theta, secant theta. So secant of 5 pi by 2 minus theta. Understand? Where it's minus when? It's an even function. That is secant of minus theta, secant theta. That's equal to secant of 5 into 180 by 2 minus theta. So that's equal to 450. Secant of 450 minus theta. You need to split it. That is secant of, how will you write this? 360 plus 90 minus theta. So 360 plus theta, what's the value? Secant theta. So secant of 90 minus theta. What's the value of secant of 90 minus theta? Cosecant theta. Understand? So somewhat it's that is secant of minus theta, secant theta. Okay. So it don't fully I consider as theta. Again, this one I have simplified 450 minus theta. 450 I have wrote as 360 plus 90 minus theta. Again I have take this is 360 plus theta. So theta value 90 minus theta. So cosecant theta. Understand? So one by one we can find out and substitute. Then only it will be easy for. So next value is tan of 5 pi by 2 plus theta. Substitute the value. Tan 5 into, so this one tan of, so tan into, sorry, tan 5 into 180 by 2 plus theta. Okay. So that's equal to, we will cancel this. What's the value? Tan of 450 plus theta. So how will you split this? Tan of 360. Okay, so 360 plus 90 plus theta. So this one you can consider as 360 plus theta. So what is 360 plus theta? Tan theta. So in the place of theta, 90 plus theta is there. So 90 plus theta. So then again tan of 90 plus theta means cot minus cot theta. Then next one. Theta minus 5 pi by 2. That's equal to tan of, same as that first Roman, you need to change 5 pi by 2 minus you took common. Okay. So then tan of minus theta, it's an odd function. Keep it in mind. Tan is an odd function. Okay. So minus theta means minus tan theta you will get. So tan of 5 by 2 minus theta. So if you simplify, minus tan 5 into 180 by 2 minus theta. Cancelling tan 90. So how much you will get? Minus tan 450 minus theta equal to minus tan 360 plus 90 minus theta. You consider this as theta. That is minus tan of 90 minus theta. What's the value for tan of 90 minus theta? Cot theta. Here on minus is there, so minus. Now substitute all the values. Substitute all the value. Minus cosecant theta. Cosecant theta. Then minus cot theta. Minus cot theta. That is You can add all this. That is equal to cosecant square. Is it right? Minus cosecant square theta plus minus into minus plus cot square theta. Is equal to minus. You can take outside. So cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. What's the value for cosecant square theta minus cot square theta? 1. So you will get as minus 1. That's equal to RHS. Very easiest question. But seeing time you will think it's a very big question. Okay, no. So you are thorough in that. Just we are substituting on this. Understand, students? So you got the value as minus 1. First Roman is your homework. You need to complete it. Okay, students, will you do? Okay. Let's move to the next problem. Problem number 6. If solution. Okay. So this one is somewhat different. So maybe in 2 marks they will ask it. Okay. So you need to learn this very important problem. So many times they will ask. So keep it in mind. A, B, C, D are the angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. So sum of the angles in the opposite sides, that must be 180 degree. That you keep it in mind. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. So let us consider this is A, B, C, D means. So you are taking anything A, B, C, D. Okay, so anything you are taking means if you are adding any two angles, that must be equal to A, B, C, D. Okay, so this two angles, when you are adding time, you will get 180 degree. Understand? A plus C must be 180 degree. Same as that B plus D equal to 180 degree. In 10th standard you have learned. Okay, so since angles of cyclic quadrilateral, so A plus C must be equal to 180 degree. Okay, so see how much you will get from here. 180 degree minus A. So same as that B plus D must be equal to 180 degree. So some that we find the D value 180 degree plus minus B. Am I right? Is there? No. So A plus C must be equal to 180 degree. Same as that B plus D must be equal to 180 degree. So A, C value is equal to 180 minus A. Same as that D value equal to 180 minus B. So LHS, take down the LHS. What is given? Cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D. Okay, that's equal to cos A plus cos B plus cos C. In the place you can substitute 180 minus A. Okay, 180 minus A plus cos D means cos of 180 minus B. Okay, so what is cos of 180 minus theta? Minus cos theta. So cos A plus cos B, cos of 180 minus theta, cos of 180 minus theta, minus cos theta. So minus cos A minus cos B. So what will happen? This will get cancelled, this will get cancelled. So equal to 0 hence put. Very important. For 2 marks or 3 marks they may ask this question. Okay, it's very important. Keep it in mind. So in cyclic quadrilateral, if I am taking A, B, C, D as an angles means sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral must be 180 degree. Keep it in mind. Sum of the angles of a cyclic quadrilateral must be 180 degree. So if you are summing A plus C is equal to 180 degree, from that I have found out C value. B plus D equal to 180 degree, from that I have found out D value. At last substitute all the values, everything it will be get cancelled and you will get the answer as 0. Hence proved. Understand, students? Okay, so I am going to give one more homework for you today. Take down your book. Problem. Already I gave homework. Exercise 4.1, fifth problem, first Roman I gave homework. Now 7th problem. First Roman is your homework. So 7th problem, first Roman we need to do. Okay. So how will you do? Sin 180 minus theta, you know the value. Cos 90 plus theta, you know the value. Tan 270, every values you know. If you substitute all the value in the given LHS and cancel everything, you will get the value as minus 1. Understand? You will get the RHS. So second Roman, if you can means you can try, but it will feel somewhat difficult. So you do one thing, you take down everything to your class. So 5th Roman first problem and 7th Roman first problem. I gave the homework for you, do it. So in our next class, we will start from 7th Roman second problem. The reason is, now itself I will do, the reason is, first Roman I gave the homework. So because of that, if you completed the first Roman, it will be very easy to start from second Roman because of that. Understand, student? So I will start from second Roman in the 7th problem in our next class. So you complete up to 7th Roman first problem. Okay. I think within one class we will complete this section and we will move to the next section. This trigonometry 4 exercises are there. So you take down everything to your classwork and learn everyday portions. We will meet in the next class, students. Be safe, please do the homework. We will start from 7th Roman second problem in our next class. Thank you, students.